Hello friends, in this tutorial I will show you how easily you can create AWS account. Myself Prashant and I welcome you to my YouTube channel Webteron, where we provide complete software solution. We all know cloud computing is rapidly becoming the normal because it reduces cost, improves security and delivers scalability. Before heading to AWS registration page, I would say that I am gonna use this video in our number of training or other free upcoming classes. Like in some video, I will show you hand-on lab involvement. Then it is highly recommended to have an AWS account. So let's start creating. You need a mobile number, email and credit or debit card. First open your web browser and navigate to AWS free tier page and directly opening that page by pasting the link in Chrome URL bar. So this is the AWS free tier page. Fill the detail which you want to use for login your AWS account and click on continue. You need to provide here your email address, like I am going to type my email address fun@gmail. Password, you need to provide up to 8 character or more than 8 character password which should contain an upper and lower case and non-alphanumeric character. So I'm going to fill my password. So here you have to choose your account name. Choose a name for your account, like you can change this name in your account setting after you sign up. So the second step is for contact information. Select your AWS type here, like a professional or personal. So I am selecting here for personal. Provide your full name right here. I am Prashant, so I am providing my full contact information here and changing my country to India. Address here like and city Patna, state Bihar and the postal code. Accept the term and condition and then click on create account and just click on continue for step third. So you can see here we need to verify our debit or credit card number. And depending upon the location, like it is showing here, it will temporarily hold 2 rupees from my card and after verifying it will return. So I am going to provide my card details here. In this step you also must fill your credit or debit card info, and I am holding this video for pause, like I am not, my card is verified now. In this step You have to verify your phone number. You will be taken to an identity verification page that will already have your phone number. So you just have to select either text message or voice call. So I am selecting here text message. You have to provide a valid phone mobile number of yours. So I am selecting my country ISD code, which is India, and my mobile number, and just solve the captcha and click on send SMS or call me, and depending upon your selection. I selected here for text message. After clicking on send SMS or call me now, you will immediately receive a call or SMS from Amazon for verification code. Enter the code and then click on verify code. So last step is for support plan, like AWS support offer a selection of plans to meet your business need. Select your suitable plan here and then click continue. I am selecting a free plan. So congratulations here from AWS, and my account is created. This is a registration confirmation page and saying me to go to AWS Amazon Management Console. Once you completed all the above step and process, you will get the confirmation page as below. Now your account will processed for activation. It may take somewhere between 30 minutes to 1 hour for you to receive an email confirmation that your AWS account service has been activated. And you can see I got this mail from AWS that my account is set up. So I got the mail from AWS, and now I am able to log in to my AWS as my account is activated. So let's sign in my role. So we have to fill the role, like I am filling system administrator, and I am interested in website and web apps. Here you also have to option to personalize your experience of Amazon Web Service. You can choose as per your interest, or you can simply however you can also simply continue by clicking sign into the AWS console. I am just signing to my AWS console. You also can change the language from above. Just fill your email address here, and you will see a captcha. You can change it, and you need to solve the captcha, like I am solving it. Fill the password, and bingo, you should be able to see the AWS management console, and you can see new services from AWS, and they are showing some little. If you have reached this far, you have successfully finished the creating an AWS account. So let's understand the AWS free tier. The great thing about Amazon Web Services is that you get a free tier when you create a new account. This is extremely useful if you want to learn AWS without spending money on provisioning, servers, and so on. However, not all stuff available on AWS qualifies for free. Also, there are categories such as always free and 12-month free. Like I am showing you. This is a free tier details. You can see the free tier like EC2 is for 12 months and you can use 750 hour per month, and storage you can also use AWS S3 for 12 months and AWS RDS database for 12 months, and Amazon DynamoDB is always free and there is no limit for 12 months and anything any limit for you can also use it for the 12 months under its free tier. You also can learn machine learning and cloud computing. There are lots of services from AWS in free tiers. You can check it out. In our series of learning AWS, we will try to keep ourselves within the free tier as much as possible. We have now successfully finished creating an AWS account and also verified it so that it can be used to learn AWS. I also give a brief look to AWS free tier and understood its benefit. Hope you like this video. In my